You don't need a gym, you don't need fancy gear. All you need is 15 minutes a day and a little motivation. If you're a beginner, this simple daily workout will help you build strength, burn fat, and boost your energy, all from the comfort of your home. Let's start with a light warm-up. March in place for 1 minute. Swing your arms, roll your shoulders, get your body moving and your blood flowing. This tells your muscles it's time to work. Next, we move to bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lower yourself like you're sitting in a chair. Go for 15 squats. Take your time and remember to breathe. Now let's do wall push-ups. Find a wall, stand a few steps back, and press your hands against it. Lower yourself slowly, then push back. Do 10 to 15 reps. This builds upper body strength without straining your joints. After that, try standing knee raises. Lift your knees one at a time, like you're marching, but higher. Keep your core tight. Do 30 seconds on each side. This activates your core and gets your heart rate up. Next is side steps with arm circles. Step left, step right, and move your arms in circles as you go. It's a low-impact way to keep moving and improve coordination. Now let's finish with a 60-second stretch. Reach for your toes. Stretch your arms over your head. Roll your neck gently side to side. Let your body cool down and reset. And that's it. In just 15 minutes, you've boosted your metabolism, trained your muscles, and taken a powerful step toward better health. Do this every day, and you'll be amazed at how your body begins to change. Slowly, steadily, naturally. If this helped you get started, like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly workouts you can actually stick with. No pressure, just progress.